All right, top of the morning. I'm back. It's been a little minute. I miss me? Probably not, but I'm back. Hopefully you're doing good. You're doing great. You had a good 4th of July. I do not look like fucking Lucky. Get the fuck out of here. That's not Lucky? What the f...
Just like him.
Get the fuck out of here. That's Lucky, bro. And that don't look like me. That's not Lucky? He literally looks like Lucky, but I don't look like him.
That's what you look like. Yo, you just gotta dye your hair and that's it.
Who man is this?
Yo, dye your hair and that's it.
Fuck you.
You don't like this?
This song is trash, though.
This song is fire. Yo, you didn't even get the power button. You got bad bitches and music.
I don't care. That nigga look like a fucking Mucinex monster. What the fuck does that mean?
You gotta catch it.
My fault. The gang is back! Oh, and y'all all here early tight? Wow. Y'all here early tight? No VP as per usual. Alright, so we back. Like I said, so hopefully you're doing good, doing great. Bless me with a like, a sub, all that good shit. But yeah, if you have any ideas, any videos or anything you want me to make, leave them in the comments. But it's good to be back in a weird way. But I definitely needed that break, so we back in this thing.
See, I remember generator. Yeah, instead of alternating, they had generator. And the generators only put out 6 volts. Because at the time, they used 12,000. When you changed everything to 12 volts, that's when they went to the alternator, which actually is smaller than a generator. But we were also adding more. Do you realize that cars back in the like 30s, 40s, 50s didn't have radios? Yes. Oh wait, so not that radio system back in like the 60s was actually in the early 60s. You had the option, the radio was optional. Yeah. If you ordered a car without the radio, it didn't even have a volume. And there was a blocking plate that covered where the radio should be on the dash. So yeah, in the 60s when they started coming out with like power seats, power tops, and then the yes, it was options. Power windows, power doors, power seats. I mean, my first, I had a 72 convertible that had a manual pilot. Yep, I had to stop the car, get out. Actually, flip while I'm sitting in it. Undo the internal flip. Get out. Pull it back. Go. Snap, unsnap the back. Unhook the back from the car. Slide the back in. And then fold the top. It literally took fucking like 3 minutes. But it was still a pain in the ass. And then after, now let's say I'm driving along and it starts raining, and I gotta put my top back on. Now I gotta what? Get up there, pump the bar on the hook, snap the back down, fold the top forward, gas back in and snap. So if I told you to stop the torrential downpour we had the other day.
I know.
I wouldn't so Twitter. I wouldn't so probably had fucking late in it before I even got around to getting the top.
Alright, I'm saying.
Considering we got 2 inches. We got 2 inches and 6 lack of rain here. I don't fly, so I'm 3 foot away from now. But I did get 2 inches of rain. And my garden is really thankful for it. Woo, USA!
Siempre está hablando paja. ¿Vale? You said
Yo,
something?
Mr. Gregory, you really like war or something?
What the fuck does that mean?
It's
always bullshit.
George talking about oh my god, he has good
Shut up.
He has good push-up film. Come on, man. That's kind of like...
You can push up on your girl. I said you
That's fire, bro. That's fire.
Thank you, sir.
I'm just saying, like, come on.
I ain't dicks right now.
Yes, you said you ain't dick ass games and that. Oh my god. No, you didn't say it for me, but you said it was from me. Oh no, he's full of pussy.
I didn't say that either. I don't know.
Straining.
You use these.
No one else would look at you, right?
Niggas sitting outside. Oh. Push up my dot. Give me lit. Yo, I remember hearing this song for the first time. Oh. Holla at y'all young boys. Fuck you.